These all with the sheet covers in the front. Do you have any oil? That was like it's saying like 20% up front. Yeah, but and it's hard to find 20%. Everybody got like way too much like 30. Yeah, it already made it up. That first spot easier. There you go. This first time messing with that controller? What's this? Yeah. Good lord.
Other than like setting it up kind of endpoint, that's just like right now the time's too hard, don't it look like they ain't giving out on.
Oh god. Those are too hard.
No mediums.
Those are mediums?
But also they didn't feel this hard in the house. When they hit the ground and where it was. No, I'm saying they were still turning, so when they hit, instantly touched it. That was that red shot. I stood them red shots up, and I instantly saw the front side of the sword with more weight. Somebody don't crawl worth a damn. But it looked good, not crawl. How was the perfect opportunity? Something definitely did on the board. Yeah, seemed like it was gone, but man, god dang. cheat code. Mine hard as hell. The ones with the ones that stand up when you pulling and droop down or droop down when you pulling. Double check the website for the weight. Got like 0 squish on the outside. I kind of like the individual rib. Just don't work for me while recording. And I wish it was a way I could split it up to where see breaking out with blinking. Maybe I've seen it as close, just fall right down. Wheel nuts. This lost 15 bucks. I appreciate it, FP. Sweet spot down here. I gotta stand there and get some good picture quality. Test over here on this.
That picture's all we ain't, bro.